Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, well-kept and dependable pickup truck with only 99,000 original miles and a clean title. It is powered by a strong and proven 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth, comfortable, and confident driving experience. Finished in a red exterior with a tan interior, this 2WD truck presents a classic and timeless look. The vehicle runs and drives very smoothly, making it suitable for daily use as well as longer trips. All systems and features are functioning properly, reflecting the care it has received over the years. An additional gas tank installed in the canopy provides extended fuel range, which is especially useful for long-distance driving or work purposes. With only one previous owner, the next buyer will become the second owner of this well-maintained truck. Number 2. 1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,999, with 232,000 miles on the odometer, powered by a gasoline engine. It features a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission paired with Toyota's legendary 2.4L 4-cylinder engine, widely known for its durability and long-term reliability. The clutch engages strongly, there are no gear pop-outs or grinding issues, and the truck starts right up every time, making it a true turnkey vehicle ready for daily driving or work use. With its rear-wheel drive layout, it delivers a solid and straightforward driving experience. The exterior is finished in a classic gold color, complemented by a clean beige interior. Both the interior and exterior have been kept in very good condition for its age, showing only light, typical wear expected from a 1998 model. The body is straight, and the truck has clearly not been abused. This Tacoma comes with a clean Carfax report and no accident history, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. Number 3. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,500. This truck is equipped with a 5.9 Magnum V8, automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has approximately 230,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and features a red exterior with a gray interior. It has been a daily driven, mostly highway miles truck, with all maintenance professionally handled and supported by extensive service records, and it has zero mechanical issues. It comes with brand new tires and front brakes, a fully refreshed rear axle, regular transmission servicing, a redhead steering system conversion, Bilstein shocks, a new heater core, a fully serviced AC system, a brand new dashboard, and a replaced intake manifold gasket. The paint will need to be re-cleared, but mechanically the truck is in excellent condition. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,250, powered by a 454 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and equipped with 4-wheel drive. It features a gold exterior complemented by a tan interior and runs on gasoline. For most of its life, the truck was used as a plow truck and remained parked at a cabin, contributing to its overall well-preserved condition. It still includes the Boss plow mount, wiring, and controller, although the plow itself is not included. The truck runs and drives very well and, while it shows its age and may need a bit of TLC, it remains an all-around clean and dependable vehicle. A set of tire chains is also included and stored in the toolbox. Number 5. 1997 GMC Sierra 3500, price $10,000. It has traveled approximately 184,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a Vortec 454 engine and enhanced with Gibson stainless headers for improved performance. The truck stands out with a custom lower front spoiler, a billet grille, and Alcoa aluminum wheels, giving it a bold and aggressive appearance. Additional exterior upgrades include stainless running boards, a matching canopy, and tinted windows all around. Inside, the vehicle offers a leather interior with a power driver's seat for added comfort, along with a Kenwood stereo system for entertainment. It is also fitted with a heavy-duty tow hitch, making it well-suited for hauling and towing needs. Number 6. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, with 169,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine, finished in turquoise with a gray interior. It has a clean title in the owner's name and is mechanically in excellent condition, supported by over 10 years of service record showing careful ownership. The truck drives very well on highways and long trips, is reliable for daily use, and offers an estimated 400-mile range thanks to its large fuel tank. Routine maintenance has been done yearly, with frequent oil changes. The bed liner has never been removed and shows no rust, and there is no noticeable rust on the truck overall. The exterior is in great shape with only minor chips, small dings, and one visible scratch on the rear right panel, with no rust. The interior is also in excellent condition, making this a practical, well-maintained, and enjoyable truck to drive. Number 7. 1989 Nissan Pickup, price $3,995, finished in a deep blue exterior paired with a black interior and has traveled approximately 200,196 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a practical and easy-to-drive classic truck. Under the hood, it is powered by the factory 3.0L V6 SOHC 12-valve fuel-injected engine, which is known for its reliability and durability, and it remains mated to the original transmission. From the factory, the truck features power steering, front disc and rear drum brakes, heating and air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio, offering straightforward comfort typical of late 1980s pickups. Inside, it retains comfortable black cloth and vinyl seating, while the exterior is complemented by a durable steel bed and a robust suspension designed for everyday utility. Number 8. 1994 GMC Sierra 2500, price $2,995. This truck is equipped with a 7.4L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, paired with a 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has covered approximately 268,000 miles and runs and drives well. It features a brown exterior with a matching brown interior and uses gasoline as its fuel type. The vehicle comes with an 8-foot bed and is well suited for towing and hauling needs, thanks to its powerful V8 engine. It is fitted with good condition tires and offers comfortable cloth seats, making it practical for both work and daily driving. Overall, this Sierra 2500 is a solid, capable truck with proven durability and strong performance. Number 9. 1978 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000, features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a brown exterior and tan interior. The truck has a rebuilt engine and transmission, along with new front disc brakes, carpeting, dash pad, rear roll pan, and new tires on classic rally wheels. It also includes a brand new Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust system. Some floor rust is present and has been covered by the carpet. The current exhaust is loud and not very attractive. The heat and AC components were removed in preparation for a vintage air setup, which will not be completed, but the factory heating components and a new heater core are included for reinstallation. Number 10. 1995 GMC 2500, price $7,000. This truck is powered by a diesel engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. It has 275,000 miles on the odometer and features a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck is smog exempt and remains in good operating condition. It runs and drives well, with all systems functioning properly. However, the air conditioning needs a recharge. The passenger side window operates only from the driver's control. While it shows normal bumps and bruises consistent with its age, it is mechanically solid and reliable. The truck is fitted with brand new tires and has recently received a new water pump and timing components, making it ready to work.